Hey guys, it's Chuck with Kovaction Dronography. And today, with the onset of the DJI FPV drone coming out in just a couple of days, I'm going to give my Mavic 2 a go with FPV mode. And I'm going to use these Moverio glasses that I'm wearing as well to kind of sort of mimic the experience. And granted, they're not as immersive, but I think they'll do the job. So let's see how this goes, and I'll share some comments after I fly. I'm going to go down to, I'm going to switch it to FPV mode. So we're going to go down to the gimbal, and we're going to go to FPV right there, FPV mode. Hit X. All right, let's take her up. I don't know, this looks not the best. It seems like you gotta make little S sweepers like this. Stay on the throttle forward, kind of like sway back. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's... Glasses are nice. I'm almost thinking these glasses will work great with the FPV drone, because I can kind of cheat. I can kind of look around them when I need to. Ooh, the sensors killed me. Look at that. See, I didn't turn the sensors off. Let's turn the sensors off. This is gonna be scary. Okay, so the sensors are off. Well, let's do this. Let's launch through here and see how this goes. That does look really cool. Actually, it looks really cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, I'm a little scared there. I had to stop. So as far as the banking and stuff, it just doesn't do it. It doesn't do it like you'd want it to. See how it kind of pitches when it's not, it is, okay, it's pitching nice there. That's actually quite cool right there. Maybe that's the trick. Maybe you gotta kind of like, kind of coax it in. Maybe it has a little bit of potential, but I'm not sure. It kind of does work a little bit. So it takes like an S bend. You have to do like a little, you have to do S's and stay on the throttle, and it'll kind of do it. And then come to a stop. Well, let's bring her back. I think that's good enough for now. I think we all get the idea that it sort of does FPV. And these Moverio glasses are awesome, by the way. They really do help a lot with the shade and everything. So I really suggest a pair of these things. These are BT300s using the BT35E HDMI box that allows me to connect right to my smart controller. So as you can see, the Mavic 2 doesn't do a really great job with FPV, even with these glasses, which do help a lot. But I really think that if you want a true FPV experience, or just to get into it, you're gonna wanna really consider the DJI FPV drone. And I know I'm considering it. I'm still resisting though. So, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Click that like button. If you have any comments or questions, post them below and I'll be sure to respond. Have a great day. And as always, fly safe and peace out.